Back from another video. And today I'm gonna be breaking this toy gun with this hammer and this. So let's get to it. I hope you guys can see this because it's nice. I'm gonna be mad.
Basketball.
If you hear some basketball playing, that's my brother playing NBA. So we have this hammer and this, because we're gonna use this as a jizzle first and hit it and try to make it go in. So let's go in through here. And I'm doing this because this already broke. See this part? So yeah. First let's try this. Didn't do anything. Go, 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 go. So just let's stick this in here. Come on, man. Oh yeah?